tour was great, very comprehensive. Smile. The guide explained everything really well, took us to beautiful places for photos, and was very patient. Thanks for sharing. Discover Lima's fascinating past and vibrant present on this guided walking tour through the city's UNESCO-listed Historic Center. Explore colonial landmarks, bustling streets, and local markets with an expert local guide who'll share insider stories and hidden gems along the way. Start your journey at the iconic Gran Hotel Bolívar, stroll through Plaza San Martín and Jirón de la Unión, visit the eerie Catacombs of San Francisco, and experience the authentic vibe of the Central Market, where locals shop and eat every day. Perfect for first-time visitors and curious travelers who want to see the real Lima up close.